Welcome to the Healthy Happy YouTube channel. I hope you are in good health and always happy. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if this video can be useful for you. In this video, we will discuss gut health, so let's watch the video right away. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall health and well-being. There are several herbal plants that can promote gut health by improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Here are 5 powerful herbal plants for a healthy gut. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a popular spice that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. It contains compounds that help to reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Ginger can help to relieve symptoms of indigestion, nausea, and bloating. It can also promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 2. Peppermint. Peppermint is another herb that is commonly used to improve digestive health. It has a soothing effect on the digestive system and can help to relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, such as abdominal pain, bloating, and constipation. Peppermint oil has also been shown to have antimicrobial properties that can help to reduce harmful bacteria in the gut. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the gut and improve digestion. Turmeric can help to relieve symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and other inflammatory conditions. 4. Chamomile. Chamomile is a gentle herb that has a calming effect on the digestive system. It can help to relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Chamomile tea is a popular remedy for promoting relaxation and reducing stress, which can also help to improve gut health. 5. Licorice. Licorice root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to improve digestive health. It contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and protect the gut lining. Licorice root can help to relieve symptoms of acid reflux, indigestion, and ulcers. However, it is important to note that licorice should be used in moderation and under the guidance of a healthcare provider, as it can have side effects and interact with certain medications. Overall, incorporating these powerful herbal plants into your diet or taking them as supplements can help to support a healthy gut and improve digestion. However, it is always important to consult with a healthcare provider before taking any herbal supplements, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking medication. That's all for our video this time. Thank you very much. Bye.